right, it's time for circle time. Let's take a look at the date. And today, oh my goodness. Today we're into the bottom half of the calendar. Today is the 17th day of May. Oh my. Let's figure out what day of the week it is by singing our Days of the Week song. Ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. I can't hear you. Days of the week. 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 And today is Monday, May 17th, 2021. Let's see what we need on our Monday as far as our pattern goes. Remember, we have sun and kites. Let's start up here, and it's 3 of everything. So we have 3 suns. 1, 2, 3 suns. Now we need 3 kites. 1, 2, 3 kites. Now we need 3 suns. 1, 2, 3 suns. Now we need 3 kites. 1, 2, 3 kites. Now we need 3 suns. 1, 2, 3. Now we need 3 kites. 1. What do we need here? We need a kite. Good job. We need a kite. All right, what kind of weather do we have outside today? It's not raining. Nobody got wet coming inside. It is sunny outside. That means we can go outside and play. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Rainy? Oh, no. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready to say their alphabet? Yeah. All right, let me hear you nice and loud. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, I can't hear you, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Going on. Let's count to 15. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting backwards from 8. Right here, eyes on the board. Hands out. Hands out on knees. And let's sing it, or let's say it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Oreo.
It is an Oreo. What color is my Oreo?
Black.
Black. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Disgust is green. All right. What shape is this? Circle. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this one? Not color. What shape is it? It is purple. What shape is it?
Purple.
What shape?
Square.
Square. Excellent. Let's go ahead. Our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
All right, we are working on what letter?
Oh.
O. We are working on the letter O, just like in ostrich, in octagon, and octopus. So here's the letter O, and O says ah, ah, ah. O says ah. All right, let's go ahead and stand up and sing where we start our letters.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better.
Remember to start it at the top.
Letters start your letters at the top.
Letters.
Letters start your letters at the top.
Jump, jump.
Letters start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. At the top. All right, reaching up. Reach up. Way up. Top. Top. Reach out, touch the top all the way down. Reach down. Touch it at bottom. 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 Reach out and touch the bottom. Standing up, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick. Shake it in the middle. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? No, it's the bottom. Here we are. No, it's the middle. Excellent. All right, we're working on the letter O. So let's sing our letter O song. Can you sing it? All right, you ready? Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O. Get to the top. All right. What letter did we make? O. So when we make our O, it is 2 magic C's, and we put those 2 magic C's together, and we make the letter O. So we start at the top, and we say big curve. Keep going round. Don't stop till you get to the top. And what letter did you make? O. Good job. What does O say? O says ah. Good job. See, that is all for today. We will see you again tomorrow on Tuesday for another wonderful day. Have a great day.